Hi dear friends, good morning. So right now I'm sitting at my home. Okay. So yesterday what happened? We went to where we went? Actually I don't yes, for playing football. So over there we won. We won two games. Two games we won. I played after a long time. So maybe 5 or 10 minutes I played. After that I was unable to run, unable to play that game. So actually I got it two ball I got it and I couldn't go, I couldn't score. But after that one, meanwhile I was scolded lot that Sibu you had gotten golden chance but you couldn't score. Next time you will not be given chance for playing football. I said to my friends that it is very first time that after 2 years or 3 years later I am playing this game. So that reason I am unable to run too fast. But next time kindly give me more chance. I'm pretty sure that I'll score very much, very good. Okay. So what happened dear? Today since morning it's raining to cats and dogs. So that reason I'm unable to go out anywhere. So since morning, yeah, yesterday we played over there. I maybe commentary. I just over there I convinced communities that I want to commentary in this ground. So I got a chance. Maybe 30 minutes I commentary over there. So while speaking time I'm getting stuck. Sometimes I was getting stuck. No, I was not getting stuck, but due to air, it has it had been you know what I can say. Actually, that one word doesn't come in my mind. Yeah, it's not coming in my mind. Yeah, wind has been blowing since morning yesterday. So the reason people they were unable to get it my point what I am saying. But over there, I whatever people are there, they were staring me. I was staring as well. Told that where did you learn it this? As well, I told to that yeah, it's I put it my effort as well. I did it hard work for learning this language. That's why today I'm speaking very fluently. But I was told that Cebu next time kindly come, and they took my number there in that ground. Commentary people as well, community people. They asked me my number, so I had been asked my number. So I gave yesterday to them. So 2 days for 2 days, I will be given chance for commentary. So over there, 1 day for 1,000, 1 day for 1,000. It means if I go 2 days, though I will be given 2,000 like that. But it's okay, and I know I what I understood over there that confidence is much important. Whether you have knowledge or not, at least you should have confidence. Confidence will enhance your abilities. Okay, so like that, and yeah, I done it well. But over there as well, three languages I was using: our native language as well, Hindi as well, English. I spoke it since started to till the end, just English. And meanwhile I was speaking Hindi as well, English. But meanwhile I was told that Cebu here, most of the supporter people, games lover was they were coming from our our religions as well, different religions. So that's why I was using three language while commenting at that time. But it was very fruitful for me as well, publics as well. Over there I gave told advice to people as well, advice to players that these days Hindi is not important. Hindi is important. I'm not telling you that Hindi is not important. It's our national language, but it's okay. Yeah, but in this scenario, it has been changed totally. That if you don't have your professional life, if you don't know English, so very difficult to get any kinds of job or do work in any private sector or government sector. So that reason I suggested to them that all publics, I recommend you, I request you to, if you have daughter or son, kindly teach them in English medium. It will help in their future. So like that. But yeah, it was very fruitful, and over there I also told, I met with many my subscribers, and they asked me my number as well. I gave my number as well. That's why since morning I was teaching to them. They will keep asking me which one require for learning this language. Like that I told, and like that I spent it yesterday. But it was very fruitful.